Here's a simple recipe for ground beef and pasta you absolutely need in your life. It's one of those dishes that feels like someone just gave flavor a megaphone. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to make. First, grab about a pound of ground beef. Any kind works, but I usually go for something with 10 to 15% fat content. Pro tip, more fat means more flavor, but anything greasier can get messy fast. Start by heating a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. When it shimmers, toss your ground beef in. Here's what no one tells you. Don't crowd the meat, let it brown in peace. Use a wooden spoon to break up the beef as it cooks. Most people stir way too much, which actually stops it from browning properly. You want caramelization, trust me. It's the secret to next-level flavor. While your beef cooks, season it like you mean it. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, this is where the magic begins. Add a pinch of chili flakes if you're feeling bold. Flavor math, more seasoning equals less boring. Once the beef is cooked through and beautifully browned, drain off any excess grease. Or don't, if you like it richer, it's your life. I'm not here to judge. But too much grease can drown the dish. Now for the pasta. Boil about 12 ounces in salted water. Don't skip salting the water. That's where bland pasta goes to die. Aim for al dente because it'll cook more in the sauce. Once the pasta's ready, save a cup of that pasta water before draining it. That liquid gold will transform your sauce. Think of it as edible wizardry. Starch is the hero you didn't know you needed. In the skillet, add a can of crushed tomatoes to your beef. Simmer it gently. If it looks too thick, that's where your pasta water swoops in. Slowly stir it in until the consistency feels right. Now combine the pasta with the sauce. Toss them together like you're trying to introduce your two best friends. That's where the magic happens. The pasta absorbs those meaty, tomatoey vibes. Finish it off with some freshly grated Parmesan and a handful of chopped basil. Optional, but come on, do you want a good dish or a great one? Garnishes aren't just for Instagram, they actually matter. Sit down and eat like a king for under $20. Minimal effort, maximum payoff. No one will even notice it took you under 30 minutes to pull off what tastes like a slow-cooked feast. Cooking hacks for the win.